Hey folks, Mike Rowe here, and let me tell you, I've gotten dirty with the best of them. From sewer systems to skyscrapers, I've seen it all. But today we're diving into a world that's both impressive and essential, the world of logging and tree removal. Logging isn't just about cutting down trees, it's about managing forests sustainably, ensuring that we have the resources we need while protecting the environment. It's a delicate balance, and it requires some of the most advanced machinery and skilled operators in the world. Welcome to our showcase of the most incredible machines and techniques used in this industry. These machines are marvels of engineering, designed to handle the toughest jobs in the most challenging environments. From towering trees to dense underbrush, they can handle it all. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the unsung heroes, the ones that take down giants and turn them into toothpicks. From powerful excavators to precise stump grinders, these machines are the backbone of the logging industry. They work tirelessly, day in and day out, to keep our forests healthy and our supply chains running smoothly. We'll take you through 29 amazing segments, each one showcasing the ingenuity and muscle behind these incredible machines. You'll see how they operate, the technology that powers them, and the skilled operators who make it all happen. From the initial tree felling to the final processing, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. So, buckle up, grab a cold one, or maybe something stronger, and get ready to be amazed. Whether you're a logging enthusiast or just curious about how things work, this journey into the world of logging machines is sure to leave you with a newfound appreciation for the incredible technology and the people who operate it. Let's get started. Now, you might think stump grinding is just about brute force, and yeah, there's plenty of that. The sheer power of these machines is undeniable, and they can make quick work of even the toughest stumps, but there's more to it than just raw power. But this first machine, the HT Eraser HGS 50F, is all about precision. It's engineered to deliver pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that every stump is ground down to the exact level you need. This precision is crucial, especially in areas where you need to avoid damaging surrounding plants or structures. This ain't your grandpappy's stump grinder. The HT Eraser HGS 50F represents a new generation of stump grinding technology. It's packed with innovative features that make it stand out from the crowd. This thing's designed to navigate tight spaces, making it perfect for taking out those leftover Christmas tree stumps without tearing up your whole yard. Its compact design allows it to maneuver in areas where larger machines simply can't go. Imagine a robotic arm with a spinning blade that chews through wood like a beaver on a caffeine bender. The precision and power of this machine are truly remarkable. It's like having a high-tech lumberjack at your disposal. That's the HGS 50F in a nutshell. It's a blend of brute force and surgical precision, making it one of the most efficient stump grinders on the market. Whether you're dealing with a small backyard stump or a larger, more stubborn one, this machine can handle it all. It's small, it's agile, and it's surprisingly quiet for a machine that can pulverize a stump into sawdust in minutes. This means you can use it in residential areas without disturbing the peace. Plus, its efficiency means you'll spend less time grinding and more time enjoying your yard. The control panel is user-friendly, allowing even those new to stump grinding to operate it with ease. The detailed design ensures that every function is at your fingertips, making the process smooth and hassle-free. Versatility is another key feature of the HT Eraser HGS 50F. It can handle a variety of stump sizes and types, from softwood to hardwood, making it a versatile tool for any stump removal job. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a homeowner looking to clear your yard, this machine has got you covered. Maintenance is a breeze with the HT Eraser HGS 50F. Its design allows for easy access to all the key components, making cleaning and servicing straightforward. This means less downtime and more productivity. Users rave about the HT Eraser HGS 50F. From professional landscapers to DIY enthusiasts, everyone appreciates its combination of power, precision, and ease of use. It's a game changer in the world of stump grinding. So if you're in the market for a stump grinder that offers both muscle and finesse, look no further than the HT Eraser HGS 50F. It's the perfect blend of technology and performance, designed to make your stump grinding tasks easier and more efficient. Next up, we've got the Kabota KX57, a compact excavator that proves size isn't everything. This little guy might not look like much, but don't let that fool you. It's got the power and versatility to handle a wide range of tasks, from digging trenches to removing trees and stumps. We're talking about a machine that can maneuver through tight spaces, lift heavy loads, and still manage to be gentle enough to not tear up your lawn. Plus, with its wide array of attachments, the KX57 can be customized for just about any job. Ever wonder what happens to those leftover stumps after a tree's been cut down? Well, sometimes they get turned into dust thanks to machines like the Bluebird Stump Grinder. This beast is a true testament to brute force with its massive cutting wheel and powerful engine. We're talking about a machine that can make short work of even the toughest stumps, grinding them down to below ground level in no time. And the best part? It leaves behind a pile of wood chips that can be used for mulch or landscaping. Talk about turning a negative into a positive. If the Bluebird is a workhorse, then the Predator Stump Grinder is a downright monster. This machine is not for the faint of heart, with its aggressive cutting teeth and powerful hydraulic system. It's designed for the toughest jobs, the ones that would make other stump grinders cry for their mamas. We're talking about a machine that can chew through roots, rocks, and anything else in its path. It's like watching a wood chipper on steroids, and it's a sight to behold. Just make sure you're standing a safe distance away when this beast is in action. Now before you think it's all about the machines, let's not forget the human element in all of this. The logging industry is often seen as a mechanical marvel, with towering machines that can fell trees in seconds and transport them with ease. But behind every piece of machinery there's a person making it all happen. These individuals are the backbone of the industry, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and safely. Chainsaws might not be as flashy as a giant excavator, but they're still essential tools in the logging and tree removal industry. These handheld machines are versatile and powerful, capable of cutting through thick trunks and branches with precision. They allow loggers to work in areas where larger machines can't reach, making them indispensable in the field. And let me tell you, it takes a skilled hand to operate one safely and effectively. The chainsaw operator must have a keen understanding of the tool, knowing how to handle its weight and power while maintaining control. It's not just about brute strength, it's about finesse and technique. We're talking about precision cutting, where every move is calculated. The operator must assess the tree's structure, determine the best angle for the cut, and execute it with accuracy. A single mistake can lead to dangerous situations, so there's no room for error. Limbing, which involves removing the branches from a felled tree, and bucking, which is cutting the trunk into manageable sections, are equally critical tasks. Each requires a different set of skills and techniques, and the operator must be proficient in all of them to ensure the job is done right, all while dealing with the weight and power of a chainsaw. The constant vibration and noise can be taxing, and the operator must remain focused and alert at all times. It's a job that demands both physical and mental endurance. It's a physically demanding job that requires strength, stamina, and a whole lot of focus. The operator must be in peak physical condition to handle the rigors of the work, and they must also have the mental fortitude to stay sharp and attentive throughout the day. So, next time you see someone operating a chainsaw, give them a nod of respect. They've earned it. These individuals are not just workers, they are skilled professionals who play a crucial role in the logging industry. Their expertise and dedication ensure that the forests are managed sustainably and that the wood we use in our daily lives is harvested responsibly. They are the unsung heroes of the industry, and they deserve our recognition and appreciation.